What is up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Vegas, and I'm back with another video. We are now at the Bentley Gold Coast, downtown Chicago. One of the first videos that I've ever seen on YouTube right now at the Bentley Gold Coast. We're gonna show you guys some of their cars, some of the things they got going on, and that's about it. Let's get to it. All right. See, look, I'm not a big fan of luxury cars, but look, this look like a Bentley to me. Pretty sure it's a Bentley. Okay, get up close on the little emblems they got on. It's a Bentley truck. Hey y'all, we just gonna pay attention. We gonna think the tile not right there, okay? The tile ain't right there, y'all, okay? I'm assuming somebody was polishing. This is a Ferrari. This is one of the first cars I seen when I went to Las Vegas for my birthday. I actually love Ferraris. I'm gonna actually give me a Ferrari. Make sure I get both sides. Oh, that's another Bentley. Okay, that Bentley in the back kind of different. I wonder if this one is they don't really got names on them. I think this is Essential though. I don't really know what this one was, but this got a front camera on it though. So I'm assuming it's like a 2022 or 2020. We ain't gonna go all the way around. Oh, this look like a, what is it called? A Continental, I think. That's what it is. These are Bentleys though. The rest of the cars. This one nice right here. This is a drop top. What year is this? That's a 2020. How nice it is on the inside. It's a Bentley. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, these are the cars that be at the Chicago auto dealership. These be the supercars that be at the car dealerships. Another Ferrari. These cars are parked super close to the wall. There's a lot of fingerprints on this one. I think this is the one that got the launch control button. It's another Ferrari right here. It's a Ferrari. I'm assuming that's where they had the jury and stuff at. This Lamborghini is nice. I think it's a Aventador. It's a Lamborghini Aventador. See, I'm not a Lamborghini guy, but this, it's kind of too low for me. I can't, like, I don't like low cars. Like, I'm more of a G-Wagon fan. That's why you guys see me in the G-Wagon a lot. I'm not more of a Lamborghini guy. I keep it up to the rich and wealthy people. What's this over here? It's another Lamborghini. Oh, these some nice rims. Those are awesome. That's just another low car. Like, it's too low to the ground. Okay. Now this different right here. Okay. I did rent me a year's truck when I went to Vegas, and this was the best car I ever drove. Like, even though the price was outrageous for the rental, but this is amazing. It's like driving a fast boat. Yeah, the Lamborghini Urus. If anybody that I know can afford this, most people that I know that can afford this, y'all should get this. This green, I don't know about the green, but the truck period is an amazing truck. Now this looks like a Batmobile. This Lamborghini right here, we're gonna get back to that. We're gonna stay on the Urus for a little while. Oh, I like how they got the green on the tires. I think it's like stickers or whatever. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I wonder why you got this one right here. This one got the whole spotlight. Let's get it 360 going on real quick. 360. We're gonna pay attention to them tires now right there, y'all. Y'all don't see that. That's not a part of the camera, okay? Got the Lambo. Can't really see in the inside, but it's, you know, it's a red button. You pull the red button up. That's how you basically start the car. It's the Lamborghini. Oh my God, look at this. This is awesome. Get you all right to a Rolls Royce. See, look, like I said again, I don't know what type of Rolls Royce this is, but it looked like a Wraith. Okay, it looked like a Wraith, but what? Is cars upstairs? This look real familiar. This look like, okay, if y'all can remember when I shot that video last year when I was in the Wraith, Rolls Royce, I was in the Wraith. It looked exactly the same in the inside. But then again, it looked exactly the same like a G-Wagon though. Okay, I think it's upstairs. Let's see what's up. Oh. That matte black. It's that matte. This matte black. And it got the tints on it though. Y'all, hey, y'all peep the carbon fiber. Peep the carbon fiber with the drip. Only thing that's gonna throw me off is the gas pump right here. Like, I know it ain't gonna make a difference, but that's weird. Excuse me, sir. This car's upstairs too? Okay. We're just gonna take a tour. Let's go upstairs and see what's going on. What's that? It says, welcome to Maserati Chicago. Okay. Take this little journey. Hey, I know exactly what video I'm gonna play when I get the Maserati videos, okay? This is their Maseratis. Wait, I did not see that. That's those down there are, okay, can y'all see my finger? Those are sensors. So you know how you get too close to a car and it'll beep off. Maserati. Wait a minute. It's carbon fiber on the door. Crazy. This is a Q4. Okay, let's zoom in on that. It's a Q4. I don't know the Maserati names. It's a Maserati truck. You can see the Lambo really good from down here. Up here. It's off the chain. It's a Maserati. the inside. It's kind of like a glare, right? Right up in here, it's a glare. Can't really get it. Hope you guys can see. So the Maserati, this is Afro Romero. Yeah, this is an Afro Romero. I couldn't figure out how to pronounce that word. It's their Afro Romero. I got the air conditioning blazing. Alfa Romero. Here you go, another one. So I guess these are all their basic, kind of like, it's not basic, but you know, kind of basic cars. They keep it up here. They like stash it up here. I'm pretty much, I think that's all you can see. Oh, they got cars outside too. I guess I'll walk outside real quick. Here go another Maserati truck. I like the black one. Maserati truck, sir. This floor is so soft. Lamborghini. I love this car right here. This car right here is, nah, I take that back. The one in the back, the Lamborghini, the all black Lamborghini, that's the one. That's definitely the one. I don't know, it's just, I don't know. I don't like Bentleys. All right. Who let me in here? Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, this is the cars that they got outside. It's one of the Bentleys they got outside. It's pretty decent. Oh, okay. This is the sign right here. This is the Bentley Gold Coast. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. I never seen a video somebody ever shoot from the Bentley Gold Coast, so this might be your first one. And y'all got it best with DJ Vegas. There's a lot going on downtown Chicago. So y'all make sure y'all be safe. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and keep sharing.